All right, so today's spring clean challenge is the fridge. We need to clean and organize it inside, outside, on top, on bottom. So what I like to use is the Enviro one. I have the older one. So your Enviro one, your Enviro cloth that's gonna remove 99% bacteria and gunk in there at your cleaner, and then the window cloth to get the glass for that streak-free shine. Also, I'm gonna use it on the outside. Here we go. All right, so now I'm gonna do the inside. What's cool is that I could just use my Enviro cloth. Again, one wet, it can remove up to 99% bacteria from a surface. So I don't need to take everything out we just filled up. So what I can do is I can just move stuff out of the way because I'm not spraying. There's no spray, so I don't need to worry if I'm spraying up here, it's gonna fall down into the next shelf. So I can just kind of move things around side to side and then wipe it down. Inside is done, and all I need to do is do the outside real quick, go underwater, hot or warm water, press, agitate, and rinse my cloth, hang it dry, and let the microsilver do its work and inhibiting that bacteria growth, mold, and odor. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to clean out your fridge inside and out with just using Norwex. An Enviro one for top and bottom, and your Enviro cloth for inside cleaning, and then your window cloth for that streak-free scent. Guys, this is awesome. As you can see, there is no fingerprints whatsoever because I didn't lay down a chemical. And then you saw it. I was able to clean out this shelf with just this cloth. I didn't need to move everything out. No, because we have to have no sprays in there. There's no toxic chemicals. We just clean with water. Again, when it's wet, you can remove 99% bacteria.